Hi, it's Jonathan. We just had our catch-up class on walls in Vectorworks 2026. So we went through a lot of the stuff that's going to catch you out when you transfer your files from 25 to 26. So we started out by looking at the most important things. That is the layer cut height. We looked at why that happens, how that affects walls, what the importance of that is with changing the wall heights. We looked at how we input windows and doors. We then looked at the wall components and how you can turn those on and off, and what happens when you turn off all of the classes. You lose your wall. But we also looked at how you can present the walls like we used to in the old days by turning off all the classes and seeing the class of the overall wall, which is to use low detail. We looked at how to make sure that the windows and doors show up correctly with that. And then we looked at the settings for windows and how we can control the graphic style of the windows bit by bit. Hey, if you want to see the rest of this, you can join my community, you can see this, and you can also see all of the other catch-ups that we've done this month. Catch you later.